Hey guys! It's almost been a year, and a lot happened. I finished my thesis and the crowd simulation project, I got my degree in computer science, and I started working full-time as a Unity developer. But I've got a free weekend ahead of myself, and I thought I could use some challenge. I've been planned a game jam just for myself. I have to make a game in 3 days, starting Friday night. I'm excited, but most importantly, ready for some game development. The theme is Duplicate, and it really got me thinking. The idea is that the player controls a character that can clone themselves. The character must solve puzzles and navigate themselves through a 2D platform environment. I'm planning to make 15 or more levels, some 2D pixel art and other nice things that can make the gaming experience better. This first day was interesting. I set up the project and imported the necessary packages. Then I started working on some time-up settings, and after a couple of hours, I'm sitting here and stuck in a dead end. So I decided to go to the gym, then rest, so tomorrow I can be a little more productive. So I woke up at 7 AM and started working on the visuals. I created a nice background with some nice color gradients and clouds. And I started creating a character. I created 4 animations for the character, a walking, a jumping and 2 for the cloning. 1 for whom is on the bottom of the cloning and 1 is for the top, so it can be different. It's Saturday 3 PM and I'm starting to like the game. The gameplay is implemented nicely and the basic tutorial levels are really fun to play. I think this project will be a success. It's Sunday morning. I didn't have much sleep last night. I woke up at 6 AM and my mind was full of ideas and bugs that I found yesterday in the game. I started working on the bugs, but I stuck and I had to rethink everything, so I brought up my old keyboard to compose some soundtrack. The soundtrack is really catchy, but maybe too simple, but I have housework and I'm going out tonight, so it will have to do. It's Monday morning, I'm a little bit hungover, but I have plenty of things to do. I'm at level 5, and nowhere near the level 15 endpoint. It's 1 PM and my project gave himself up. The imported packages are not working correctly, and the menu navigation is a mess. I'm at level 8, and I have a little time left, because at 5 the deadline is here. Whew. It's 5 AM. I finished the project and built it for PC. I finished 10 levels, not ideal, but each and every one of them is challenging enough to entertain the player for some time. The look and the gameplay feels great, and I sort of like the menu design too. It's not yet mobile compatible, but it can be played with a controller, so that's a plus. I think this project is a success, even if I didn't accomplish everything that I have planned. I made a game from a random idea, and it looks and feels great to play. If I clean it up and add some more levels to it, it can be published on Google Play or something. But the greatest lesson is, we can accomplish anything when we are in the flow. Thank you for watching, feel free to subscribe or like the video, have a great day and see you next time.